Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Shein's account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how to log into your Shein's account. Firstly, open up your Shein application. The homepage of Shein application will appear on the screen. Click on the Me button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Sign In/Register option. On the next page, enter your email address associated with your Shein's account and tap on Continue. Enter your password and click on Sign In. Tap on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Your Password. This is how you can sign into your Shein's account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.